What is a volume shelf and how to identify it? Have you ever wondered how traders spot key price levels where significant trading activity occurs? Today, we will discuss a concept called a volume shelf and how to identify it effectively. A volume shelf is a horizontal price area on a stock or options chart where a large amount of trading volume has built up over a range of prices. Instead of clustering around a single price point, this volume creates a plateau or shelf that indicates strong interest from market participants at those price levels. To identify a volume shelf, you can use volume profile tools. These indicators display traded volume horizontally across different price levels. And like traditional volume charts that show volume by time, volume profiles reveal where trading activity is concentrated along the price axis. When you look at a volume profile, a volume shelf appears as a thick cluster of volume bars extending horizontally at certain price ranges. These areas are where many shares have changed hands, forming that recognizable shelf. Next, pay attention to how prices react around these levels. Volume shelves often act as support or resistance zones. When prices approach a volume shelf, they may stall, reverse, or accelerate if they break through. This behavior is due to the strong supply and demand balance at these levels. Another important aspect to note is the presence of volume gaps above or below the shelf. These gaps indicate price ranges with little trading activity. If the price breaks out of the volume shelf zone, it may move quickly through these gaps, making them significant for traders. Understanding volume shelves is essential for both stock and options trading. They mark zones where buyers and sellers have previously agreed on price, creating potential support or resistance areas. Recognizing these zones helps traders anticipate how prices may react. Prices often gravitate back to volume shelves, making them key reference points for entries and exits. When the price moves into or out of a volume shelf, it can signal shifts in supply and demand dynamics. For instance, if the price moves above a volume shelf where sellers were previously strong, it may indicate that selling pressure has lessened and buyers are gaining control. For options traders, volume shelves highlight price levels where underlying stock liquidity and activity are concentrated. This can affect option premiums and assist in selecting strike prices or timing trades based on expected price support or resistance. To practically use volume shelves, apply a volume profile indicator on your trading platform. This will help you visualize volume distribution by price. Look for prominent volume shelves where volume bars cluster horizontally. Monitor price action as it approaches these shelves to anticipate potential reversals or breakouts. Incorporate volume shelves with other technical tools like supply and demand zones, support and resistance, and trend analysis to improve your trading decisions. In options trading, consider volume shelves when analyzing the behavior of the underlying stock. This will help you better understand potential price ranges and volatility. In essence, a volume shelf is a price range with concentrated trading volume visible through volume profile analysis. Recognizing these shelves aids traders in understanding key supply and demand zones, anticipating price movements, and refining trading strategies in both stocks and options.